Hello. Hello. Sriram Roja.
రూమ్‌లో నేను
హాయ్ సార్.
చూసుకుంటాను.
Yeah, hi. I'm audible. Waiting. Okay, Jahnavi waiting. Any update? Anyone completed task? Okay, in previous session, right? We completed create user data, right? This is the one. Okay, today we'll try to create the account. But as of now, we saw only handling single element, right? Okay. If you see, we have multiple elements as well. Okay. Suppose if you take, if you click on product beverages, right? You need to verify how many products we have here. Multiple elements. Okay. For that, we have driver.find elements. Today, we'll complete this one. Then tomorrow onwards, we'll start with the multiple elements. Okay, start recording. Already started recording. Click on customers. Enter account number. Add customer. Okay. Always try to complete normally. Okay. Then once if it is working, try to convert that to data driven approach. New plus create customer. At the rate of before test. Public void initialize. Import this. Here we are going to define system.set properties. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Here we need to give the Chrome driver path. Define this WebDriver here at class level. Import this driver equal to max driver dot. Up to here it is clear, right? Or any issue? Hello? Up to here is it clear? You have any doubts in this previous as well? System dot set property new from driver. Login also I am going to add here. Inspect. Okay, here we have the arrow. ID is there. Password. Login button. Sign in. Then here we are going to perform mouse over on settings icon. Here we don't have any attribute. That's why we are going to take this alt. Okay, because we don't have ID, name, class name, link text. Nothing is there. That's why we need to write the XPath. Here XPath is based on the alt attribute double slash. This is the tag name. After calling the filed element, it will return web element. Okay, if you try to see here, whenever you are calling find element method, it will take by class as argument, then it will return web element. By dot XPath web element settings icon. Before this, okay, driver dot find element by dot ID dot case. Dot click Dot move to element. It will perform mouse over dot build dot perform. Then we need to click on customers, inspect this element here. Anchor tag is there, href. Then this is the link text. We can use this as link text. Driver dot find element, driver dot link text dot click. Then we need to enter account number, ID, or we can take name as well. Customer name, add customer. If you see here, ID, we have same login underscore button. I don't want to use this duplicate one. I will try to create the XPath, okay? Because we don't have any other attribute. Class is not available. Predefined one. Name is not available. Link text we cannot use because it is the input tag. Then, based on the value attribute, I am going to create the XPath. XPath, it will start from this one tag /, because it is a relative XPath. Always it will start with /. Dot find element by dot name account number. Okay, I'm going to do like this. Customer name, company name. We can give selenium. And then we are going to click on dot click. Okay, after clicking right, we need to verify the validation. Okay, click on add customer. It will navigate to the next page. Then you need to verify, okay, whether whatever we entered right account number in previous session, whether it is available or not. We need to verify. Then customer name, then company. These three we need to verify. Customer name, company name, account number. Okay. This is not text field. Okay. If it is text field, right, we can use get text method to get the data, because this is input field. If you try to use get text method, you can't able to retrieve the value. Even though, okay, in some interview, they will ask you how to retrieve data from input fields. Okay. If you see here, inspect this. See here, value attribute is there. Okay. In this value, you can see the value, this one, account number. Same way, customer name also, we can see the value attribute. Same way, company name also, we can see the value attribute. Okay. First, we need to identify the element which is having ID or company. Then you need to call the get attribute. You need to pass the, I will show you how to call this. Because this is one of the important interview question. They will try to confuse you. Okay. It is not a text field. It is a input field. Okay. First, we need to identify the ID. Driver dot point element by dot ID. Get attribute. We have method get attribute. It will take string argument. Which is the attribute you want to get? This is the value. Okay. If you get the attribute value, you will get the value here. Key value pair, right? That's why we are calling the value attribute name. It will return string. Get attribute value, it will return string. See, string account number. Next, we need to identify customer name. Same, I'm going to copy. I'm going to replace this. Customer name. Next, company name. Here we have ID. Company name. Then here, if you want, you can add others in as well. Asset dot, asset equals Boolean expected value. What is the Boolean actual value? This is the account number. This is the one we are entering. You can compare. If you want print, you can print this value before verifying. Actual account number is, by using get attribute value, we are getting this account number. Like this, we need to add validations. Okay. You can keep on adding the test steps like this. Here also we can do actual customer name is. Here we can pass the customer name. Next, where it is. Okay. Customer name, right? We need to update this. Then finally, company name. Mm, Up to here, okay, I am going to execute because we need to define at the rate of test annotation. Mm, From here, I am going to separate at the rate of text public void director create customer. Import this, run as testing test. What happened? No log code check. Okay, we need to update the. Already, we last time we added external jar files. I don't know what happened to this. Right click, build path, configure build path. Actually, I removed this from backup. Okay, that's why it is throwing exception. Let me remove this. Okay, I changed the location. It is open in the browser. Login, create customer, enter. Okay, now we navigated to customer information. Now see, here we can cross check. Test case pass. Whatever we provided, right? It is printing. Actual account number is 2345. Actual customer number is customer. Okay, name, company name. Okay, like this. We need to add assertions. Then here we need to, what are the mandatory fields? We'll try to enter street address. Here we have city, state, zip code, email. Phone. Then here account open, right? This is the date picker. Okay. First we need to dot send keys. Fine. City, state, zip code, email, phone number, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we need to perform. See here, once if you are clicking right, it is opening the calendar. See, here we have November, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is 6, right? That's why it is showing the highlighted different color. See, okay. Here I can write XPath like this. Double slash A X equal to C 1 of 1. But tomorrow, right? Again, you need to change the XPath for tomorrow. Okay. But I don't want to do this. Once if you are writing XPath, right? After executing, after 1 year, if you are executing step, you should take dynamically current date. Okay. For that, we can write XPath in different ways. If you notice here, let me show you. Inspect fifth. This is previous day, right? What is this class attribute having? Control C. Class attribute. Today date. That is current date. This is previous date. Then next day, upcoming date. Upcoming date means 7th. Here also we have class value. Okay. Previous date and upcoming date class attributes are same. See, class UI state default. Class UI state default. For only current date, right? This is the attribute we have extra in class. What I am going to do, I am going to take partially, okay, by using contains method. Let me highlight the current date. What is the tag name? Double slash A. Copy this entire thing. Double slash A at the rate of class equal to. You can give completely, okay, but whenever we have spaces, right, don't try to give completely, okay. This may fail in case at the time of runtime. Do one thing, okay. You can use contains method here. Partially we can pass contains contains at the rate of class comma. You can give partially, no need to give complete thing. Whenever you are using contains. Whatever date is having attribute, UI state highlights contains. Today is 6, right? If you try to execute tomorrow, tomorrow date will be having this class value. Dynamically, it will change. Developers, they design like that. Okay, after 1 year, it will select particular date. Okay, no need to change. Okay, whenever you are executing, it will create particular date, account opened, current date. Like this, you need to design the XPath. You need to write the custom XPath. You need to think in such a way that, okay, in future, if anything is required, no need to change dynamically. It will take dynamically. Okay, don't keep this as static. Every time you need to change the value. Then a personal ID. Let's take this. SSN number. Then we need to click on save button. Name is there. Type of dot and element. Dot name. Save. Dot click. See how many steps it have taken. Where it is showing exception. Here. Now try to execute and see. Right click run as testing test. Customer. Add customer. See, is selected today date and created the account. If you go and see here, you can see latest one. Ravi Kumar C 234 35 36 35. This is the account number we created. If you want, you can cross check here. 235 like. Then you need to implement the data provider wherever you are passing, right? Our target is we need to create multiple customers. For that, okay, we need to pass the account number, customer name, company name. How many parameters you need to pass? You need to list down. Then you need to define data provider at the rate of data data provider public object. Then here, how many customers you want to create? I want to create 5 customers. Then how many parameters we have? Okay, here if you note down, hmm, account number, okay, send keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 parameters you need to pass. That means 10 columns. Return obj. Now we need to assign the values. Okay. Total 5 customers we need to create. For that one, obj 0, 0. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9. Like this, how many? 5 customers, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. It is starting with 0th row, 0th column. Then first row, then second row, 0th column, second row, first column. Third row, 0th column, third row, first column. Okay. Now we are going to assign values. First, we need to note down this is account number in first screen. We are going to enter. If you see the order, this is the account number. Account number you can get same as well. Customer name, Ravi one, testing one. Then we have state address. Market. States also I can give same. State will be Karnataka. Then zip code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next we have email Ravi1 at the rate of. You got it right. Okay. How to create this data provider? Please complete this and send me screenshots. Already I gave idea right how to create this. Complete this and send me screenshots. Just assign values and execute. And you need to add the parameters here for this method. How many parameters? 10 parameters. Then at the rate of data provider equal to data provider method name. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. At least you need to try. Otherwise, you can't able to learn these concepts. Because